What's good, dealers? I'm gonna car quick 1-2. This shit's gonna take no time at all. All right, what? Lickety split. Honda Civic SI 2023, 11th gen Civic. There's no videos on this. It took me fucking forever, and him also. Thanks for his help. To figure out how to wire a sub into it without ripping your entire dash apart, because the amp is fucked, and I don't know. I mean, there's sources, but I didn't see any easy video on how to do it. Well, good morning. Day 2 of this car fucking me raw. I'm kidding. It's actually, we're all done. Thought I'd recap it because finished halfway through last night and went and got plastered. And I was thinking last night, I'm like, well, I hope that the videos I took weren't just a bunch of fucking schizophrenic garbage that is just incomprehensible. So I'm just gonna recap what we did. Well, I was gonna recap everything, but help me out here. Where the fuck is the negative terminal? I can't pop the trunk. Where the fuck is the negative terminal? I don't know, I'll be back when I find it. So obviously, this felt fairly straightforward. Got the fuse in there. Fished it through that little grommet that you can't see, and I don't have a light, and I could not be fucked. Just know that there's a grommet right behind the battery that's like prime for hiding all this shit. The fuse... So jamming this in the fuse is completely fucking unnecessary. It works. Like, you can do this. You shouldn't do it. You shouldn't do it, but it works. It could. If you really had to, you could do that. Damn, I should really get a light, hey? Whatever. So this is what we did with the... What is it? Yeah. So the line output converter. The guy told us that it really is not a good idea to just straight cut these wires from the speaker into, like, splicing it into RCA cables is apparently really shit, and it'll get hot and probably explode and burn my car. So it's a good thing we went and talked to that guy. We used one speaker because apparently there's no rear speakers back here. It's really fucking weird. I mean, there's these, but I think those are just tweeters. So we just use one. There's one cable. We're running it up behind there, I guess, just to make it a little sleeker, a little nicer, you know. And then these, we're going to take these two ends just because it's from one. Hi, so in this moment, I didn't realize how this fucking worked. We've twisted the negative wires and the positive wires together. The negative speaker wire to the negative wire and the positive speaker wire to the other positive wire. Instead of using two separate cables like you're supposed to, it works the same. Speaker, you're supposed to plug it into two different speakers. Right, you're supposed to take a left-right from the left speaker and then a left-right from the... I'm retarded, what? The yellow one I'm just like throwing straight into the power here. This little cable is for like turning the sub on and off, you know, instead of shoving it in the fuse spot. My favorite part is this. I have taken this out and we've super glued a little knob here strictly to control the sub bass instead of changing the sub bass through the car. I guess with the SI, there's only one sub speaker in the back. You could probably run these wires separately through to the actual like rear speakers behind the rear seats. But I'm lazy, so we're just doing this instead. I don't think it really matters that much. But yeah, hopefully that helps. Whoever has I'm saying, dude, it's so early. I'm hungover. I'm trying to recap this so it's not just a mumble mesh of fucking nothing. So hopefully this helps whoever has an 11th gen SI model. Because I didn't see anything. And I like helping people. It's a bit weird to throw on this channel. I guess it doesn't matter. This channel's nothing. It's a bunch of garbage. But I do make gaming videos and just little stupid... Sorry, I make stupid videos of me and my friends just fucking around. And I stream once a week every Saturday. So, you know, if you want to drop in there and help me out there, that'd be great. Because I helped you out. You know, you scratch my back, I scratch yours. You jerk me off, I jerk you off. I don't know, bro. But hey, But we just spliced these power cables into RCA, and then we went to Andre's and they said we shouldn't have done that, and we just got this. Is a line output converter we're gonna splice this into there, and then that's gonna give us the RCA connections straight into the sub. What else did we do? The accessory power to turn the sub on when the car's on. Oh, I don't have a light. On the fuse box, I found the accessory fuse and just and it worked. Okay, so disregard what I said before. Apparently, well, I guess I should wait to do this before we've proved it, but there is a stereo wire on it that connects to the existing speaker. So fuck this plugging straight into the fuse shit. Instead of ripping the entire dash apart and trying to splice in from the existing amp, which is like impossible because apparently it's connected to a bunch of other shit. Yeah, and then you can figure out how to wire your own shit. You're smart, you're intelligent, you're hot, you're sexy, you got it, I believe. They call me the insertion master.
Holy shit, I got a brand new petting. Bitch, that's tragic. What am I gonna do? I don't know, but that shit's semi-automatic.
Automatic?
That's so different.
Hey.
I don't know what the fuck I do.
Okay.
Bitch.
Automatic?